China aims to launch its Queqiao-2 communications relay satellite tomorrow, March 19. The satellite will help maintain communications for China's ambitious upcoming lunar missions. The first mission it will support is China's Chang'e-6 far-side sample return mission, due to take place in May. China's Space Administration will launch Queqiao-2 aboard a 50.3-meter tall Long March 8 rocket. The Long March 8 vehicle flying tomorrow's mission was vertically transferred to a launch pad at Wenchang Satellite Launch Center yesterday, March 17. China's Queqiao-2 satellite launch. The Queqiao-2 satellite has a mass of 1,200 kilograms, and it is equipped with a 4.2-meter parabolic antenna. It will use X and UHF bands to communicate with China's Chang'e spacecraft. Once in space, it will fly in a highly elliptical lunar orbit that will allow it to communicate with Earth and the far side of the Moon. If all goes to plan, the satellite will have a lifetime of almost a decade. It is expected to support Chang'e-6 and the Chang'e-7 and Chang'e-8 missions to the lunar South Pole. Though China's Space Administration has not released any official information regarding launch times, airspace closure notices provide a clue, according to a report from Space News. On March 19, there will be airspace closures between 8:21 to 8:47 p.m. and 9:45 to 10:16 p.m. Eastern Time. The launch will be the third time China flies its Long March 8 rocket. The rocket first flew in 2020. Roughly 2 years later, it set a national record for the most satellites launched by a single rocket. The country went on to break that record with a Long March 2D rocket in 2023. Chang'e-6 and beyond. China performed its first lunar sample return with its Chang'e-5 mission in 2020. During that mission, it retrieved 1,731 grams of lunar regolith from the near side of the Moon. The Chang'e-6 mission aims to collect roughly 2,000 grams of material from the far side of the Moon. The Queqiao-2 satellite will also carry scientific payloads, including an extreme ultraviolet camera and the Earth-Moon length baseline Very Long Baseline Interferometry (VLBI) experiment. The Queqiao-2 mission will also launch two small satellites called Tiandu-1 and Tiandu-2. These experimental satellites will fly in formation in lunar orbit and will perform navigation and communications tests. These will include tests of satellite-to-ground laser ranging and inter-satellite microwave ranging methods.